Hello everyone, my name is Ben. I am 5 years old and today I will do this story about beautiful, Dawn's hiccups. Now let's get started. Beautiful, cheers, combs, competition, crowd, dance, down, ears, enters, fingers, hair, women's, music. Nurse puts there, she shouts,
Slice.
surprise, television, water, side words, and put but can't drink grass, gives, go happy, have her hiccups, it's mother know of on plays, sings song, still suck the upside will your how to get Dawn enters a competition. She will sing on television. Dawn is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccup. Dawn's mother gives her a scare. Surprise! Hic! Dawn still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. Hic! But Dawn still has hiccups. Suck on a slice of lemon. Hic! But Dawn still has hiccups. A nurse gives Dawn a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Dawn hiccups. Go. She is happy. She combs her hair. Then the music plays. She sings her song. It is beautiful. The crowd shouts and cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you for listening. Goodbye.